In all matters of life, when you ask for one thing, you can only ask, what is that one thing because of which things go wrong? Because only one thing has to go wrong for a fall to happen. In all things that go right, there is no one thing. There is all the things that you'll have to get right to go to the top. A mountaineer will tell you, he has to get everything right to reach the top of Mount Everest, and he has to get only one thing wrong to fall through the valley. So somewhere this again comes from that background. There is one trump card, there is one magic formula, there is one magic wand, and I touch that and everything will turn right. There is no such person in the world. There is no one way to greatness. There is only collective development to greatness. So everybody has got it right. For example, like it's almost a cliche, you should dare to dream. All of them are great dreamers. But if we assume just because we have a dream, everybody does not become a Martin Luther King. You need the willingness to take a risk. It's about initiatives. It's about stepping into the unknown. It's about taking decisions, knowing very well there are no guaranteed right decisions in life. The moment we talk about risk, a lot of people think risk means it's financial. It need not be financial. I stake my life in a direction which is much greater than the money part. That itself is a risk. But I'm ready to do it. I'm ready to walk a path where results are not guaranteed. Because without taking risk, you cannot have ambitious dreams. Without having ambitious dreams and backing up with taking risk, if I keep doing what everybody is doing, I only reach where everybody reaches. If I have to reach where no one has reached, I should dare to do things that no one has done. So you need to do that. So just these two as a combination will work? No, it won't work. Relentless effort, relentlessness. In fact, they make it so obsessive, each one of them, these dreams and the willingness to achieve this, that everything, in fact, their life seems to be more a life of sacrifice than the life of a common man. Common man liberally uses the word sacrifice. Actually, they sacrifice nothing. They play it safe. Anybody who lives within a comfort zone is sacrificing nothing. Not even his comfort zone he is ready to sacrifice. But all those guys who achieved in life, they sacrifice. They sacrifice things which are truly important to them. They sacrifice their hobbies. They sacrifice their likes and dislikes. In fact, they subordinate their likes and dislikes to the purpose of their life. So you must be ready to do that. Relentlessness. Continuous development of your personal competence. Whether it is about being innovative or it is about your marketing skills or your communication skills, or it is about a specific competence that you require, technical skills. Continuous development. Show me a champion, I'll tell you that even that morning he has practiced to improve himself. Show me a mediocre, I'll show you a person who 10 years ago developed his skills and done nothing about developing himself further. So I don't want to, in any way, it's a very marketable thing. One thing you have to get right and you'll become a billionaire. It's a sellable product. In fact, I feel very proud of myself for one reason. I've refused to lie to make myself famous. And I will not do it. Because there is no shortcut to the top. There is no easy way to the top, and those who made it to the top did not make it easy. So remember this almost as a template. You have to get one thing wrong to fall in life. You have to get everything right to rise in life. There's no other way to greatness.